Hi guys! Today is September 14, 2023 and it's a very sad day for us since we have to pull out from our second home for almost a decade. We are closing our last physical store in Taytay, Tiange. It's located at Freedom Bazaar. So we're saying bye-bye with a heavy heart, but we are still very hopeful that you will still support our online shop 24/7 here at home, where I will be able to assist everyone with their orders. Sa lahat po ng sumusuporta, suki at laging naghahanap ng affordable store sa Taytay, Tiange, maraming salamat po sa halos 10 taon ninyong suporta sa aming munting tindahan. Sana po patuloy nyo kaming suportahan online dahil malaking tulong po ang inyong order sa aming araw-araw na buhay, dahil ito po ang source of income namin, especially sa gamutan ni Daddy Dave. We are so grateful sa ilang taon po na naging parte kami ng inyong pagtsatsyangge. Nawa ay patuloy nyo po kami bisitahin online at patuloy nyo pong suportahan ang aming mga pajama, terno at iba pang mga paninda. Sabi nga nila, when one door closes, a window opens. So we might be opening a new branch here at our humble home soon. Mag-aayos lang po tayo ng stocks and some display. Again, from the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat po sa aming mga affordable store, Freedom Bazaar branch. Now, signing off.